DevOps for networking. NetOps best practices. DevOps for networking. NetOps best practices introduces a transformative approach to managing and optimizing network operations through the integration of DevOps principles. DevOps for networking. NetOps best practices offers a roadmap for successfully implementing and optimizing NetOps strategies. Introduction to NetOps and DevOps. The introduction to NetOps and DevOps marks the commencement of a transformative journey in network management, where the fusion of network operations, NetOps, and development operations, DevOps, promises to reshape the landscape of IT infrastructure. Collaborative culture and communication in NetOps. Building effective collaboration in NetOps entails breaking down silos and encouraging cross-functional teams. Communication strategies form the bedrock of collaborative NetOps cultures. Clear and transparent communication channels enable teams to share insights, coordinate efforts, and troubleshoot issues more effectively. Infrastructure as Code, IAC, for networking. The paradigm of infrastructure as code, IAC, has emerged as a transformative force in the realm of network management, redefining how organizations conceptualize, deploy, and manage their network infrastructure. The implementation of IAC for networking involves leveraging declarative or imperative scripts that codify the desired state of the network. Automated testing and NetOps. Automated testing is a cornerstone of modern NetOps practices, revolutionizing the way network configurations are validated and ensuring the reliability, security, and performance of network infrastructure. Network monitoring and observability. Network monitoring and NetOps encompass the continuous tracking of key performance indicators, KPIs, such as bandwidth utilization, latency, packet loss, and device health. Observability in NetOps takes monitoring a step further by emphasizing the holistic understanding of the network's internal dynamics. Security in NetOps. Security in NetOps is a paramount consideration in today's interconnected and rapidly evolving technological landscape. Network segmentation and micro-segmentation are essential security strategies in NetOps. Security in NetOps is a multifaceted and evolving discipline that requires a proactive and integrated approach. Scalability and resilience in network automation. Scalability in network automation is about designing systems and processes that can grow seamlessly to accommodate increasing demands. Resilience, on the other hand, focuses on the network's ability to maintain operational integrity in the face of disruptions, failures, or unexpected events. Conclusion. In conclusion, DevOps for networking. NetOps best practices represents a transformative guide to revolutionize network management through the integration of DevOps principles. Security emerged as a paramount concern, emphasizing the integration of security practices into NetOps workflows, the implementation of security policies as code, and the adoption of network segmentation strategies.